The third category is near real time. So let's try to understand how near real time is different from the real time stream processing with a simple example. Let's take an example for the retail organization itself, e-commerce app. So you are on the e-commerce app and you launched a sales campaign, right? The sales you launched an offer, you launched a campaign due to festival season or something, some event or some special Women's Day, right? So Women's Day, you launched a campaign which is supposed to run for 1 day, and in that day you want to use that campaign to maximize your sales for certain products which are relevant for the women's, right? So for that campaign, these guys are given a task that we will start the campaign 6 a.m. in the morning and run it till maybe 10 p.m. in the evening. And during that time, you are supposed to monitor the campaign, monitor the ads, monitor the campaign, and help us tweak the campaign for a maximum performance, right? So what these guys want to do, let's say for that campaign, you are showing ads on hundreds of different other platforms, maybe on websites or other websites, on your own platform itself, and those ad campaigns are run by these operational guys. And then you are monitoring from here. You want to see, okay, in next 1 hour we showed 1 million ads on these 20 websites, and which one is working, which of these are giving us bringing us maximum customers, from where we are getting maximum customers, where we are not getting it at all, right? Or what kind of ad formats are working, whether display ads are working or video ads are working, what kind of ad formats are working on which platform. And based on that information, on every 15 minutes, either we increase our advertisement intensity or our investment on those sites or those platforms where it is working, and reduce or even shut down showing our ads on the platforms where it is not working, so that we make best use of our money, right? So those kind of requirement is there. So in that requirement, what kind of data they need, that data engineering team always thinks about or asks the first question, what kind of data you need. So to answer that question, these data consumers came up, okay, we need ad display, ad click, those kind of informations we need. As soon as ad is displayed, we need information that, okay, this ad is displayed on so and so platform. And when that ad is clicked, we need information, okay, that ad is clicked on so and so platform at this some XYZ time. So what time is ad is displayed, what time ad is clicked, and then once that ad is clicked, where that customer went, where that customer is redirected, and what happened there. Did he purchase, or did he just browse through it? All that information is required. But what they do, they want to use that information every 15 minutes or every 10 minutes or maybe every 5 minutes to tweak the advertisement campaign, to tweak the inputs for the advertisement campaign, right? So that's the frequency. The first question for data engineers is, what data do you need? The second question for data engineering team is, how frequently you need that data? And the answer for this third scenario is, we need data every 15 minutes or maybe every 5 minutes, right? So 5 minutes, if we need to facilitate data to these guys every 5 minutes, then we have a 5-minute window, which is very small, very tiny window, right? So within 5 minutes, we have to consume all that data, process everything that we want to do all the kind of processing we want to do with that data, and also facilitate it, make it available for consumption to these consumers. All that should be done within 5 minutes, which is very tiny window. And we know that batch processing is not going to work, because 5 minutes is too small for a batch to collect the data and do all that. So basically what we need to do, we need to consume data as soon as possible, as soon as it is collected here, and make it available to these guys as soon as possible. But that as soon as possible is not in seconds, it is in minutes, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So those kind of requirements, they don't fit into batch processing. They are not strictly real-time stream processing, because my requirement is not to bring data into seconds and milliseconds, but they are neither batch, they are not strictly real-time, so they fall into the middle category, which is near real-time stream processing. And this idea should be very clear, because this is one critical decision-making point for every data engineering project or for every data pipeline that we build, that whether we should go with the batch processing approach, or should we use the real-time stream processing approach, or near real-time will do the job. Because based on these, the entire technology stack, the approach, the project development approach, everything changes according to which category of the application you are trying to build.